Now, let us see another concept of Apta explained in Charaka Vimanasthana. Apta is the person can be called as Apta if and only if. He here refers if and only if a person is having avitarka smriti. Avitarka smriti means the knowledge or experience which is not subjected to any argument. Avitarka, which is not subjected to any argument, it is beyond argument. That is, it is true knowledge. He is the person is having capability of knowing all the subdivisions, all the parallels of the subject, and he is only interested in giving truth to the world. He is not in favor of anyone. Nishpriti. He is not in favor of anyone. He is unmanipulated and he is not going to do partiality about or for favoring anyone. Nishpriti, Upatapadarshinaschcha. He is neither hatred, he is neither feeling hatred or he is neither hating any other person. Darshinascha. Darshinascha here tells he is not having any hatred or he is not having any favor towards anybody in the world. With all these qualities, Tesham here refers to they, that is Apta. Apta, with all these qualities, with yoga, due to the samyoga of all the above said qualities, the vachana told by Apta will always be pramanam. What is pramanam? Pramayah karanam pramanam. The truth, knowledge, which is persistent in the world, is pramanam. Hence, we come to the definition of Apta as Apta is the one person or is the only person who is having the true knowledge which is unarguable, and he has all the expertise and classifications of the knowledge whatever he knows. And Nishpriti, he is not in favor of anyone and he is neither showing hatred to anyone. He, with all these qualities, the vachana told by Apta, the word spoken and knowledge given by Apta is always a truth. I hope this was helpful to you.